IQGeo Adaptive Grid is a new approach to managing the entire lifecycle of electric grids. In this video, we're going to take a closer look at how an extensible and hierarchical approach to infrastructure can be used for modeling any grid scenario efficiently and effectively. As decarbonization continues to advance the electric grid forward, the industry is seeing an exponential increase in both the number of total assets being installed, as well as the count of new and unique asset types within utilities' overall supply chain. Current tools for managing network data models are quickly losing their ability to present this overwhelming amount of information in ways that are meaningful and usable for workflows across the grid, and this is beginning to affect large-scale business operations. IQGeo Adaptive Grid addresses this issue with an extensible and hierarchical approach to infrastructure using configurable network topology and connectivity that is driven through underlying asset associations. An extensible data model allows utilities to quickly iterate on their network digital twin without having to return to a state zero database, whether adding new types of switches, throwover devices, secondary connections, or even behind-the-meter assets to their feature collections. Check out these new solar inverter and battery wall features that we were able to create and add mid-design with a little assistance from our system administrator in the configuration page. Next, auxiliary geometries within Adaptive Grid supply drill-down views while also serving as liaisons between standard geometric models and their new hierarchical representations. This allows features to be stored with respect to their true field locations, ending the need for misleading paper map offsets, which contribute to data inaccuracy and create duplicate workflows for civil-related tasks like permitting and structural analysis. Finally, Adaptive Grid's hierarchical approach also extends its benefits to the connectivity and tracing model, which are no longer only hidden backend associations visible to database administrators and developers. Connectivity is now represented visually on the front end using an equipment and wire inheritance tree, providing greater awareness and control during design. This enables users to model complex connectivity configurations within radial, loop, and mesh networks, as well as behind-the-meter assets which traditionally are not integrated into existing systems. With IQGeo Adaptive Grid, overwhelming and inaccurate network representations are transformed into precise network digital twins, which empowers utilities to quickly derive essential information for their workflows while reserving the extra details for drill-down functionality only when needed. This was extensible and hierarchical modeling, just one component of IQGeo Adaptive Grid, the industry's leading solution to accelerate digitization, improve productivity, and transform your utility for the future.